that time of year again. Time to get back to Arrowmont for Legacy Week 2022. This is a week where teachers from all over Appalachia get to come and work at Arrowmont for free. They can take classes, all their room and board is covered, and they get a stipend for travel. We love coming to Arrowmont, especially for Legacy Week. We got the room all set up, goodie bags filled, and chairs ready to weave. We decided to hit the town, visit one of our favorite places in Gatlinburg, the Gatlinburg Brewing Company, where the infamous breakfast juice will return with us to the porch so we can relax for a busy day. The first day teaching offsite, you never know what to expect. But we can always expect something great in the gallery at Arrowmont. This instructor's exhibit featured works by all of the artists teaching that season, and it did not disappoint. Everywhere you look, you get inspired, and every time you walk through, you see something new. Sometimes you see work by friends, sometimes you see work by other friends, and sometimes you just get inspired by all kinds of crazy mediums, like printing on corn shucks. Dave looks ready to go, and I got a new coffee mug by Mark Errol of Mark's Mud, and I'm fully caffeinated, ready to geek out with some folks. Every time we come to Arrowmont, we meet chair nerds who didn't know they were chair nerds. It's really fun to show off the classroom at the studio strolls and show off the students' work as well as the craft. Lots of times, people have only seen the traditional 6-way pattern of chair caning, so it's really fun to show off all of the varieties and patterns that our students and teachers have created. And on the last day, it's time for some fun. Some people created new patterns, while others finished their projects. Running our business in Asheville, we don't often get time to play. But at Arrowmont, there's so much to be inspired by and so many fun people. We love sharing the craft and we love sharing how to teach the craft. And we really love it when people geek out on chairs. It's always hard to say goodbye, but we know we'll see these guys again. And we have one last stop on our trip. Repatriation of this diamond corn shuck weave to the Wood Whittlers, Gatlinburg's oldest shop. These are quintessential Gatlinburg chairs. Thanks, Arrowmont. It was fun, but it's time to get home to a dog.